Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to tighten up the slack in your belt for the garage door opener. So as you can see here, this one's gotten pretty loose. You can see it's drooping and hanging and very wobbly. In fact, when you go to open it, it makes all kinds of noises as it bangs around, it hits the pole. So we're going to tighten that up, and it's very simple. All you'll really need is a pair of pliers. And so you're going to get up on a ladder, and you're going to go at the end of the door here. And if you look up, you can see where the belt attaches. And so there's a square nut that's on the very end of it here. And so you can't really put a socket wrench on it, but a lot of times you can turn it by hand at first, just to turn it clockwise, and it will tighten that belt back up. So just keep twisting it until it gets relatively firm. You don't want to have it too tight either. And then at that point, once you can't turn it by hand, you can give it a few rotations with your pliers. So remember, you're turning it this way, kind of in a downward motion, because if you're looking at the bolt head on, it's turning it clockwise. So don't get confused on which way, but you'll figure it out real quick, because the belt will either get more loose or tighter. So this is about the tightness I went with. It's straight, it can still move a little bit, and you can always go back and tighten it a little more later if you wanted to, but now as I open up the garage, it's nice and firm and doesn't clank around. So for now, this is a perfectly good adjustment. I have all kinds of videos on the garage door programming and how to open it with your smartphone and everything like that, so please check the video description for links to those videos. If you like the video, please like it and feel free to subscribe. Thanks guys.